Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So if you have the chance to get out to the Dollar General, I absolutely would today. There is a surprise penny list and I got about 400 penny items. This is only half of what I have because the other half is in the back of my car and I'm donating it to a center that works with the fire and the police station locally in case there's an emergency, because a lot of this HBA stuff, shampoo, lotion, body wash, it's what they need and they're always in need of it. So in today's video, we're going to show you the UPCs. I'm going to talk about where I found some of this stuff, where I had the most amount of luck, and so on and so forth. I did go to many stores today. Again, I had this vision to give back to this one community group because they have been messaging me. Actually, last week they sent a message. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm keeping some of this because it makes really great Christmas gifts, a lot of these lotions and potions. And I actually smelled a couple of the perfumes, and they're really nice. Not bad. It's kind of like a knockoff of Bath and Body Works, and even during clearance events, nobody wanted it. If you remember some of this stuff and you're like, hey, I think my store has it, run out as soon as possible, or the next clearance event that will be on Labor Day, if they keep all this stuff in the back, you might actually find a lot of it. A hair straightener for a penny? Are you kidding me? It was quite the day. So for a lot of you that are pharmacy shoppers and you're like, hey, I don't understand what you're talking about, penny items. Okay, all these items were a penny, and when you open up the Dollar General app and scan the barcode that I'm going to provide, if it rings up like this at the register, it should ring up a penny. So that's the way it goes. Nothing had that weird message too at the register like item can't be sold or it was recalled, and nothing like that. Anything that's hair, elastics, brushes, curlers, scan everything and anything. And yeah, it's fantastic. And then at a couple stores, not every one, but a couple, the 10 off 30 was printing for me, and I was not putting in my phone number. These were just rando printing. So keep an eye out for that. And I had no intention to do a Saturday haul, but when they throw that 10 off at 30, I mean, that is just really mighty tempting. So I'm going to do a couple cards on Sunday with or Saturday with that, because this is Saturday the 15th only. So I will definitely cook up a deal, and I'll have that on my Instagram. I found these Conair. It's the Wave or the straightener. I found them in the clearance section. One store had them on a regular aisle near the hair stuff, and they had a whole bunch of different clearance stuff all situated there. But this is the one you're going to want to look for. It's called the Double Ceramic. So I think during the clearance event, it was $10, and I only found one. I think it's a very popular item. You can see there's two different barcodes. See the big one with all the numbers? That's the one they have to scan. If they scan that V35, it's going to ring up as an error. So just be mindful, like the cashier will have to put her hand over it. I don't know why there's two different ones. This one's called the Double Ceramic. I found, I think, like 6 at one store. So that was my moment. And I thought, you know, for Christmas, I have a couple sister-in-laws, really long hair. They would absolutely love to get a new flat iron. Who wouldn't? I would be excited to get one too. And here's the UPC. So definitely keep an eye out for that. And then maybe walk down clearance aisles, check if it's like on a sky shelf. Yeah, this is a great item. Remember, guys, anything that's involving hair, shampoo, lotions, scan all of it in the clearance section, and hopefully your clearance section is stocked. If not, Labor Day, probably going to find a lot of it. This is a scrunchie, a 3-pack, and here is the UPC for 1 penny. I also found this. It's been in the clearance section for a couple years, so anything that's been there for 1 or 2 years, that's what you're looking for. It's these bobby pins, and they look really nice for a penny. And even for $2 during a clearance event, I'm like, no. But to get them for, like, you know, a penny, of course, you have my attention. Now, this next, you either know if you have them or you don't. It is this company. It's called the Happy Scent, and it looks like Bath and Body Works, but it's not. And I'm going to show you the UPCs. This is probably the one item I found the most of. We're talking lotions, creams, body washes, and body sprays. So like faux Bath and Body Works stuff, but it's called ScentHappy. That's the company. So all the different scents or flavors or whatever you're going to call them, look for them. This is probably the one I found the most of, which was Citrus Sunshine. I found it in every clearance section. This is weird because I don't think I saw another penny shopper the whole time I was out, and I was out the entire day. So like you might find everything tonight, and because this list is so vast, you have tomorrow you can go look, whatever. Um, I would try and make an effort if any of this stuff might be of interest to you. And yeah, even though I got such a huge haul, half will be donated, and I keep stressing that because people wonder what the heck I'm going to do with all this, and it is a lot. So I'm really happy to give a lot of it away. And just looks like Bath and Body Works, but it's not Bath and Body Works. And I think even when they had it at some stores at 70 or 50% during many rounds of the clearance event, people were not buying this happy scent. They just were like, Bath and Body Works or nothing. And I get it. People are brand loyal. So I think that's why a lot of this stuff just did not move. Joy Works, another company I've never heard of. They have the fragrance free and the one with fragrance. It's a body lotion, and it's only 10 ounces, but it has a pump at the top. So, made in Canada. Oh, that's very promising. I have never used this, so I'm really excited to give it a shot. And this is the other one. It's just a regular body lotion, so I think this one is scented. But that scent-free one is probably the one that I found the most of. They have other JoyWorks item. All of those were full price. None of them pennied out, at least not to my knowledge. Let me know in the comments down below if you've been to your store and have you been scouting any of this stuff. This is called 5 Deep Breaths. The packaging on this, very nice, very interesting. But again, most stores had a ton of this. Not this exact body wash, because I found a few of them, but not a ton. So, but it looks really fancy. The packaging is an A+. These body creams, very similar packaging to Bath and Body Works, and there's like a lavender one. All the different. Look at all the ingredients. Maybe that's why it never really sold. But yeah, you know what, guys? It's definitely worth checking out, especially that JoyWorks one. I use so much lotion every day, especially if you shower a couple times a day. I'm going through so much, so I'm really delighted to find some of this stuff, and I think it'll be perfectly fine, even if it's been in the clearance section for a bit. I think it'll be perfectly fine. And then they had this whipped body scrub. I only found 2 of these, and I did open it up because it felt kind of weird just like moving around in the container, but it's actually sealed at the top. See this company called Story? Anything by Story, scan it, and it might be a penny for you. I think all of the Storyline got pennied out today, but I only found like a couple hair gels and little odds and ends, so this is one of the items that I found. A lot of this stuff too, it says product of Los Angeles. I think it's all made out of the same factory. This skin product, it's an overnight hydration mask. Only found 2 of those, which is really surprising. So yeah, here's the UPC. And the Whitney Houston body spray, it actually smells really nice. I did spray it for 1 penny. Again, this is an item that's been through many rounds of the clearance event. I never bought it because I think it would have been like $2, and it is by Scent Beauty. So I'm thinking it might be the same as that other stuff we were looking at. I'll have to look at the packaging a little bit more carefully. Suave, this is a travel size of the men's. I think it's like a 3-in-1, like a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I think this is one of the few items I found that's like a regular name brand. Everything else was like these weird Dollar General brands. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Curl Rhythm, only 2 of the items I found pennied out, but there was a lot of Curl Rhythm in the clearance section, like other items. So definitely scan all these barcodes to make sure you're picking up the right ones. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but if I can actually see the visuals, I can go out there and get whatever. So that's why I kept going and going today. I usually call it a day around 3 o'clock, but just the penny shopping was so hot that I was like, I think I want to continue. And this is my wonderful iPhone 17 taking the most greatest, sharpest photos. You know what the packaging looks like. It has that yellow band. The Bic Comfort 3 only found one of these, and you guessed it, 1 penny. It's been in the clearance event for many, many rounds of it. So here it is, the UPC. Now this shampoo, it's called HB. I'm not sure if that is, if it's a P&G product. I'm not sure. I think it might be. I'll have to look at the packaging. I know my friend Rolling Coupon Moms, who lives like 3 hours away from me, towards 3 hours south, she was finding a ton of this. So she did really amazing, and I told her about this penny list, and she was not sure about going out because she doesn't usually ever score big where she lives. But today she got a ton of stuff. I was very proud of her. Like, she just did fantastic. She's over on Instagram if you guys want to go follow her. She does a lot of Meyer as well, but she kept scoring. This product called Crystal, it's a deodorant. Now I'm going to let you guys know, I would scan every deodorant if you can find them, or it'll be one of these things, Labor Day, they'll bring out a tote and everything will be a penny. I mean, wouldn't that be nice? One of these face masks is called Detoxify. I don't know. One store had all this weird stuff, and everything I scanned was a penny in their clearance section. It was really odd. Not everything, but most of the HBA stuff. And here is the UPC. Now, one item that I only found one of is this Palmer's bar soap. As you guys know, we always have a $1.50 digital during a clearance event. The product's $2.70. It was always a little freebie. So I think most couponers probably participated in that deal for the last many clearance events. So I only found one, but one is better than none. One product I was really, really delighted to find, again, thanks to Rolling Coupon Moms, are these little nail presses. So you just put it on the bed of your nail, and then you have like an instant like nail polish. There's this one, I mean, I'm not too fancy about that yellow color, but there's another one that's really, really pretty. And where is this made? Made in China. Store in a cool, dry place. I brought that in right away. This is really nice, and I think for Christmas I could throw that in for like an Aunt Rach sort of gift. I'd like to give my sister-in-laws like an HBA like beauty stuff. This would be a perfect item to throw in there. I think they'll really, really enjoy it. For the kiddos, found these glosses and clips. Seen those in the clearance section for years and years and years. LOL and Frozen, those two characters. And I think with back to school around the corner, this is the perfect little thing. So here is the UPC for LOL. And then, of course, my phone took an out of focus photo of the Frozen one. So I just have the UPC for you guys. It's just the breaks. So I think you could see it in the background. One of the Disney characters at the top, Elsa, I believe. And yeah, very, very cute. Now, the men's razors, most of them rang up full price, except for that one disposable Bic. This is called Magic Shaving Powder. It's a really old product, and it was a penny. And I just scanned it on a whim, and I was like, whoa, that's a penny? So, yeah, I think you just add water, and you magically make your own shaving powder or shaving cream. And this is called the Shaverly Face Lotion. They also had a spray. That was full price. The face lotion pennied out. So if you can get out to the store, guys, make it happen. There's nothing better than getting a cart full of stuff for a penny. I wish you guys good luck. Bye.